Hi, my name is Chantel Teride and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today we're going to be showing you how to get the perfect eyebrows. First thing you want to do is obviously have your nice eyebrows trimmed and clean. She's already had her eyebrows done. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to go with my eyebrow brush, which looks like this. Brush any loose hairs out. Sometimes your hairs get a little bit loose. You just want to brush them up and down to really give that shape. And next you'll want to go with an eyebrow gel. Again, it's something you can find at your local beauty store. This eyebrow gel is made particularly for the eyebrows, and what it's doing with a kind of like a mascara wand that you would see, this is going to shape the eyebrows, also keeping the hairs down and flat like a gel would do to your actual hair, but this one is particularly made for the hairs above the brows. So what I'm going to do is the same way that you saw me brush her eyebrows, you're going to do the same thing with the glue and really brush it in, and you'll see a clear coat starting to apply on the eyebrow itself. Don't worry, it dries to a matte finish, but I'm brushing it in the shape that I want the final look to be. Brushing those hairs down, I'm really pushing this wand into the skin and brushing this area down to get that really nice pretty arch. Next step you'll want to do is let that dry a little bit. It doesn't take long to dry, but while you're letting it dry, go with a nice flat angled brush and a eyebrow filler. This is more like, you can really use anything when it comes to brow filling. You can use eyeshadow, brown, black, according to what color your eyebrows are. She has a pretty dark complexion of eyebrow hair, but what I'm going to do, I wouldn't go with black. That would make her eyebrows look very unnatural. So particularly today, I'm going to use more of a cocoa, a dark brown. All I'm doing is I'm not completely drawing on new eyebrows. I'm filling in any spaces that I want to give more youthful, more fuller look. So tap that angled brush into your pot. Dab off any excess to not get any fallout. And now what I'm going to do with a light hand, I'm going to wisp that actual brush into the brows, and you can see here she has a little bit of space, so I'm just going to go in and fill that little spot. I'm also going to go now and with the angle going upwards, give her a more defined arch. I may want to thicken up this area, and if you find that you have shorter eyebrows and you want to elongate them, this is exactly what that. And the angled brush, because it's a very thin point, does a lot of the work for you, and you can just bring that out. And if you find that you may have applied too much color to the brow, a good technique about these kind of double-ended brushes is that with this end, you can now brush the brow, and any color that you applied is actually being brushed off a little bit without completely being taken off. So in this little end, I may have put a little bit too dark, but now I just took it off, making it look more natural and lighter. And that is how you get the perfect eyebrows. This has been Chantel Teride. Thank you for watching.